I was talking to a supplier of throttle-by-wire throttle body assemblies, and they say they get quite a few returns with nothing wrong with the assembly itself. In the notes for the return, they said that the part did not solve the problem and actually made it worse. So what's the issue, and what is the technician missing when they return a brand new part that still works properly? There are no defects or anything wrong with the brand new part that they got from their part supplier. The issue was with them. In other words, when they did not install this brand new throttle body, they did not go through the proper programming procedures with a scan tool. If you install a brand new throttle-by-wire unit, you need to follow the procedures to relearn the position of the throttle and also the pedal inside the car. If you're servicing the throttle body on the vehicle due to carbon deposits and oil in the intake manifold, you need to be careful. First of all, do not try to force the throttle body open. If the ignition is on, you could damage the gears inside the unit. Try using a scan tool to actuate the throttle to get it open. The other thing to remember, well, be careful with your solvents. Use a solvent intended to clean up throttle bodies. This way you're not damaging the throttle body. On some throttle bodies, there's actually a coating around the butterfly designed to help shed some of the carbon deposits while the engine is running. If you use a very strong solvent, well, that's going to get washed off, and those carbon deposits, they're going to come back even faster. Also, a strong solvent can damage the bushings for the butterfly shaft. When this happens, well, other things can get inside the unit, damage the electronics, and also the gears. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.